Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix low memory on Roblox Mobile. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is go to our settings. Then scroll down to General. Once you're here, go to iPhone Storage. As you can see, you can find all the apps you have. So what we need to do is to scroll down until we find Roblox. So I just press Roblox and then I will just press Delete App. Once you press it, it will say that deleting Roblox will also delete all of its documents and data. This action can't be undone. So, to confirm, just delete again and then it will remove Roblox. What we need to do now is go to our App Store and re-download Roblox. So we just need to search for Roblox, press the app, and then just reinstall it. It will then update to its latest version. It would also delete unnecessary files that takes a lot of space on your phone. Hopefully, this will fix your problem. If you find this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos like this.